Heidi Almero Remorosa. I am 35 years old. I'm a mother of two kids. My elder daughter is 40 years old, and my youngest daughter is 7 years old. I work now in Hong Kong as a domestic helper for more than 5 years. My first employer here, I work 4 years, worked 4 years. My duties and responsibilities for taking care of one dog, cooking, ironing, marketing, cleaning, and all of the household work. And now, I'm my present employer now. I stay for almost 1 year. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of two kids, one boy 6 years old and one girl 3 years old. Cooking, cleaning, ironing, tutoring for the kids, marketing, and another all the household chores.